Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Alright, so today I'm taking a look at the Fantom R Silicone Band Attachment. Let's check it out. Alright, so before we get started, that's right, I have another giveaway. So stay tuned to the end of this video to find out how you guys can win a brand new Fantom R. Alright, so this isn't going to be a full review on the Fantom R. It's just going to be a review on the actual silicone band attachment. Now, about 8 months ago, I did a review on the carbon fiber Fantom R10 that is right here. But you can see my Fantom R10 has the money clip. But as I open up the box here, you can see this is a Fantom R7. And as I take it out of the box, I'm going to give you guys a nice look at that brand new silicone band attachment. This is also the Fantom R with the brown dot leather finish. Like I said, I did a review on the Fantom R10 about 8 months ago. And if you want to see that review, I'll put a link right in my description box. But to catch you guys up, if you're not familiar with the Fantom wallets, it comes in 6 different finishes. Also has 3 different card capacities. This one right here is the R7, holds 4 to 7 cards. My carbon fiber Fantom R10 holds 5 to 10 cards. Then they have an R13 that holds 7 to 13 cards. But here I want to specifically talk about their brand new silicone band attachment. So I will compare this side by side with the money clip a little later on in this video. But when I show you that, you'll see that the money clip is on the front of the wallet. You'll see the holes for the screws right there. But the silicone band attachment attaches to the back. And you can see it attaches with these 3 screws right here. There's one there, right there. So with the silicone band attachment, you can hold cash, extra cards, receipts, business cards. This was actually a much needed feature for Fantom. I'll give you guys a closer look here. So it attaches with this ceramic coated aluminum frame, and it's designed to look like it's blending with the existing Fantom R frame. All right, so how does it work? Well, Fantom was nice enough to send me 4 of their Fantom cards. Now these are actually awesome. These are raised number demo cards that I'm going to use in future wallet reviews. I'm just going to block out the Fantom name. But let's say, for example, I already have this Fantom R7 already maxed out with cards. So let's get the cards in there. And there we go. And I still have some more cards I want to carry. So let's take these 4 raised number cards and let's stick them under this silicone band attachment. So there you go. So this is what the Fantom R7 would look like, fully loaded with cards in the slots, and then 4 more credit cards stuffed in the back silicone band attachment. Well, what about if you're a cash carrier? So put those down. I just so happen to have 8 bills right here. So let's just see what it would look like with these 8 bills folded in half. And yeah, it's just gonna hang over the edges. So obviously what you would do is either fold it into quarters. So 8 bills folded into quarters, lift up the silicone band, and there you go. And I'll give you guys a nice side view of what this would look like with 8 bills folded into quarters. So let's take that out and let's try this folded into thirds. So there we go, folded into thirds, lift up the band, and yeah, that actually fits pretty nice. And obviously it's not gonna be as thick because they're folded into thirds, and doesn't hang over the edges. So I like the thirds method. But let's say you have a couple business cards you want to fit into there. So obviously it can hold business cards pretty well. Or if you have some receipts that you want to carry around with you, there you go. Not a problem at all. So as you can see, this silicone band attachment is extremely versatile. And just for the heck of it, I'm going to combine everything that I just showed you and see if it can fit under this band. So let's get the 4 raised number cards in there. 8 bills folded into thirds. Let's stuff it in there. 2 business cards. Let's actually put that under the cash. And then our receipt, fold it up, and let's get that in there. Maybe not the best choice in order, but there you go. 4 raised number credit cards, 8 bills folded into thirds, 2 business cards, and a receipt. And just to show you, that's how thick it would be. And why did I do that? Well, just to show you how resilient this band really is. I mean, I can still probably put more cards under there. So as I said earlier, I'm gonna show you guys my 2 Fantom R's side by side. Now, once again, this is the Fantom R7 in brown dot leather, and this is the Fantom R10 in carbon fiber. So obviously my Fantom R10 has that titanium money clip attachment right there. And you can see the money clip attaches right there to the side. Just those 2 screw holes there. Super easy to take on and off. And with this Fantom R10, this is a good opportunity to turn this around to the backside and show you those holes where the silicone band attachment would go with nothing there. So you can see this is what it would look like with the attachment, and side by side, there are the screw holes, nothing there. So basically you can have the silicone band attachment on the back, the money clip attached right there, hanging over the front like this one, and then you can rock both of them at the same time, but that is if you need to carry that much stuff. All right, so let's go over current prices. Right now, if you want to get the Fantom R10 in carbon fiber without the money clip, it's $114. If you want to get it with the money clip, it's 136 American dollars. If you want to get the Fantom R7 with the brown dot leather, it's $104. And if you want to just get the silicone band attachment, that's $29. So this whole setup right here would be 133 bucks. All right, guys, so it's giveaway time. So if you guys have been watching my videos, maybe you know what's coming already. So yes, number 1, you have to be subscribed to my channel. Shocker. Number 2, you have to like this video. Shocker again. And number 3, you have to comment on this video. Doesn't matter what it is, just comment. But just so you guys know, I read every single comment, so make it interesting. So let's run through those again. Subscribe, like, and comment. After 250 comments, I'll choose a winner. And then a brand new Fantom R could be yours. So this is where it's different. It's not necessarily this Fantom R. Whenever I choose the winner, all you have to do is give me your email address. I'm gonna give that to Fantom. Fantom's gonna contact you and ask you, what exactly do you want? So that's right, you can customize any Fantom you want. So it can either be a 7, 10, or 13, and whatever finish. And as always, just keep checking my channel for the winners. I usually announce them in my community section. And starting with this giveaway, I'm also gonna be announcing winners on my Facebook and Instagram pages. Now we'll have links to my Facebook and Instagram pages in my description box below. So give me a like, give me a follow. That's not necessary to win this wallet, but it might be easier for you guys to see the winners. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What do you guys think of the new Fantom R silicone band attachment? Like I said earlier, this was a much needed accessory for the Fantom R. Even though I'm a big fan of the money clip, it's still nice to have some options. Now I will have links below if you guys want to check out the silicone band attachment for yourself right on the Fantom website. But like I said earlier, the price right now is 29 bucks, but click the links below. I mean, they might have a sale, I don't know. And you guys remember, subscribe, like, and comment, and one of these bad boys could be yours. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe, and go!